Hey guys,
as you can see, iPhone XS Max we got here.
Yeah,
It's
we got
very
it.
big. Let's get the satisfying moment. Fresh out of the box.
Wow. Wow.
As you can see, let's turn it on here on the side. There's a button.
Oh, it's asking for Face ID.
Oh yeah, let's scan it because this is the sensor. As you can see, it didn't work because I haven't set it up yet, but let's know what this is about because this is a durability test.
Yeah. Right.
So, as you can see, the Apple logo right here. So let's pop the back open. Here you can see the battery and the A12 processor, the new one. They
A11 Bionic.
it's A12, the new processor from Apple. So that's yeah, we don't need that anymore.
Glowing.
It still works, as you can see. So even if it's popped open, it still works. Error. Well, I don't want to error. Oh, wait, never mind. It's just stuck on the screen now. That's not very durable. I expected more.
Do you want to drop?
Oh god, al die klote mensen.
Okay. Yeah? Wait, focus.
Look, the screen is beautiful.
Shattered.
The best quality.
Alright, so yeah, good. De toolbox, you know.
Oké.
Ik heb dan al sfeerbeelden gemaakt trouwens van die schaal.
Oké.
Oké. Battery, let's pop it out. Pop, was you know? Oh, daar. Nee? Ja, pop.
Vuur.
Yeah, okay guys, so we're cutting the screen. You hear it crack?
And now let's try to cut the corner off.
Oh.
Let them melt. Oh jezus, dat was zwart.
Okay, that's looking good.
Het smelt helemaal.
God in the egg.
Oh shit. Don't breathe this. Oh shit. Okay, let's...
So,
Oh joh, kijk die bezig ging van het ding af.
Hey!
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 Wait. Fuck, ik kan niet overheen. Guys, so you know how we do, you know how we end every single fucking video.
Okay, let's drop it on this side and let it float. Nee, dat is te langzaam.
It's, yeah. Oh.
Hij gaat niet eens op de rand komen.
Oh.
Vliegjes.
Kwijlen.
Hij gaat niet eens op...
Oh.
Of wel? Oh jawel. Nee, hij hangt vast.
Okay, you get stuck.
Ja, jammer.
Bye.
Wacht, laat mij voor.
Let him voor. Schreeuwen.